¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. So it's that time of year again, once again. It is November. Black Friday sales are around the corner, so I just wanted to keep you guys updated on some of the deals out there. Maybe you're wondering, hey, you know, what should I be looking for? Maybe you're a motovlogger, or maybe your loved one is a motovlogger, or they love Harleys, they ride Harleys. So let's just point out a few things, of course, and let's look at, you know, maximizing those dollars right now, because it's tough. All right, so of course we have Black Friday Plex audio. They haven't really announced anything, so you'll have to tune in on November 24th. So that's Friday. So Plex audio, they always have good sales. So if you're in the market to put audio speakers on your bike, on your Harley, Plex Audio has a sale coming soon, Friday. All right, so let's move on over to SumSim. Of course, they're also having a few deals, but quite honestly, man, you really have to like the look of these helmets. You really have to like the way these helmets look, because quite honestly, the prices and what you get for them, yeah, they're not that great. But I mean, they look badass. All right, they look cool. I wear mine. I recently bought a Mod Bandit. You can see it over here for $463. I got mine from MotoStorm, which is a company in Europe, I believe, if I remember correctly. I got mine for $270. Same Mod Bandit, exactly the same. It's just ECE something, so it was the old version, and I guess I guess it was gonna get phased out over there in Europe. They're really strict about the helmets and stuff like that. I was told you can't even paint your helmet, and you guys see my helmets, they're all painted. I guess you can't paint them over there. It's not. Anyways, moving on over to Rrock. Now this one it's very, very, very good deal. All right, so I paid full price for my Rrock 4. Quiet, comfortable, no wind noise, no low noise. Everything's pretty neat about these helmets. The 4.0s, very, very impressive. And if you could get them for $200, some of these are $200. Look at this, $256, 4.0. I mean, this one alone, man, this is way better than your Ghost Bandit. Ghost Bandit, $500 plus, $600 helmet. These ones right here, a Rrock 4.0, above and beyond what you get, compared to the SimSim lineup, the Ghost, the Mod, the Speed. I have the Speed, I have the Ghost, I have the Mod, and I think I have another one too. Actually, I can't remember off of the top of my head, but these are, well worth the price. So $300, $400, 4.0, very good deal. And the shipping, I believe it's free. I believe the shipping is free, but and it's super fast. It's super quick, even though it's coming from UK. I think you'll get it fairly quickly. I'm pretty sure you'll have these before Christmas, if you're out there looking for a good helmet. And they have a lot of styles, guys. You can look at all these different styles, all these different paints. So super neat. This one, $227, very good deal. Just, they have a lot of options. 70% off on Rrock. We also have a few engine mods. Obviously, if you're out there in the market and you're, waiting on a sale to go to a stage 2 or stage 1, visit any of your online suppliers, and you will see a pretty good deal right now. So these prices, quite honestly, they're like lockdowns or pre-pandemic prices. I believe the 1300 was a price that we had before 2020. But you know what? It's still a sale, still a pretty good deal. Of course, we also have Dixon. They're having a deal as well. They're having 40% off. Not everything, because I tried, putting a couple things in a cart. The majority, a lot of the stuff is 40% off. But you can see some of the other sales that they have up front, 50% off. Here it is, Wednesday, 40% off this site-wide sales, everything. So I'm pretty sure this sale is gonna carry forward until Friday, and of course maybe even Monday you'll probably see some discounts. It's just the thing is with Dixon, they always sell a limited supplies of a specific style that they go out of stock fairly quickly. So you'll have to visit their website early on Friday and stuff like that. So of course we also have some motovlogging gear. I would recommend the Hero 8, but it looks like they've discontinued it. You can still find Hero 8 stuff, but the Hero 10 is $250, which is basically the same price as the Hero 8. So the Hero 10, pretty good deal for $250. It's got a lot of features. It records 5K, 5.3K, 60. It's just it overheats. That's the only issue, but overall, pretty good, solid deals. They also have the Osmo Action 3 on sale as well. I don't have it on here, but the Action 3, oh, here it is. The Osmo Action 3 is $280. I think this one, if you don't want overheating issues and you don't want any glitches that GoPro's known for, I think I would recommend just paying the extra $30 and avoiding the Hero 10. But here's another good deal. I'm gonna put links in the description, of course, and that's gonna help out the channel if you guys want. But that's only Amazon. Anything other than Amazon, I don't get any any kickback or anything. Just you guys are saving some money. Same thing over here. You get to see it through GoPro. So if you have a membership, you might get an additional I think 15% discount or something like that. There's an additional discount if you're a GoPro Hero member, or if you have their subscription, you also get a discount. But you pretty much see they're all pretty much the same price. The Mini 11 250. The 11s are on sale. The 12, the newest one, 350. But I think really, the 12, it's neat. It's got a few little features, but for motovlogging, you're pretty good with the Hero 10. The Hero 10, maybe the Mini if you really want to, shave down on the weight. So the Leather Pros also on sale, of course, 15% off. Pretty neat. 15% off of a really good solid product. I've had mine for 3 years now. They look great for the price. And like I said, an additional 15% off. You can't really beat this deal. Quick detachable, made in America, solid, handmade in the USA. Look at that. So pretty good deal as well. Anyways, moving on over to Get Lord. You get a 10% discount, Black 10. That's the coupon code. I just have a random item in the cart just so I could confirm. They also have 15% discount if you're signed up for their coupons via email. You'll see that they offer 15% off on selected products, and they're doing it throughout the whole month of November, which is pretty neat. But like I said, you'll have to be you'll have to have an account with them so you could get those coupons and you can see what's on sale. But in general, the site, everything, if they have, like I said, if they don't have anything 15% discount like selected items, you can just type in Black 10 on their website and you'll get 10% off everything on the website, which is a pretty good deal. They don't normally have sales, but when they do, 10%, 15%, and then of course you also get free shipping on top of that. Speed Kings, they offer discounts, but they always charge you for the shipping. So 10% off, pretty good. Just everything. If you're out there, of course, looking for stuff, if you're trying to build and you want to use name brand products, then you could visit Get Lord, get the 10% discount, performance parts, everything you need. And if you live in California, contact them and they'll ship you stuff. So here we go. Talk to Mike. Of course, we have Harley-Davidson, 50% off. A lot of their riding gear, solid deal. I just bought myself a vest recently, and then I also have the operator flannel jacket or something like that. I'm not sure what it's called. Solid jacket, $120, good deal. Visit Harley-Davidson, of course. And then this one's probably the best one so far. This is TC Brothers. You could save, you know, $200 on a SPC lane splitter exhaust. Super solid deal. You can check them out. Black Friday, TC Bros. This one, you know, like I said, this is by far one of the better deals. How much is 10% off of this on Get Lord? I'm wondering, is it almost the same? $125. You also have big bore options, I believe. Here it is right here. So it's $250. $250 off of a great, you know, it's a great sounding exhaust. So, you know, it's just overall great deals right now. I mean, some of these just makes me wish, like, man, I should have waited a little bit longer. Would have saved myself $200. But you know, I already installed it. I'm enjoying it on the bike. Thanks for tuning in. In case you're out there wondering, hey, what's out there? Here's a few things. All right. I mean, there's a ton of stuff. So you guys stay out there, stay safe. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.